In 1901, divers pulled a corroded lump of bronze from a 2000-year-old shipwreck. Nobody paid much attention to it until it cracked open. Inside were dozens of precision cut bronze gears. The problem: nothing this sophisticated was supposed to exist in the ancient world. The wreck was found near the Greek island of Antikythera. Sponge divers discovered it by accident while hiding from a storm. Among statues, coins, and pottery, they recovered what looked like nothing more than that scrap metal. It almost ended up forgotten forever. Months later, the object split apart in a storage. Hidden inside were more than 30 perfectly interlocking bronze gears. Historians had never seen anything like it. Nothing with this level of mechanical complexity appeared again forever 1,000 years ago. For decades, nothing knew what the mechanism was. Modern X ray scans finally revealed the truth. It wasn't a decoration, it was the world's oldest known mechanical computer. Turn a simple hand crank, and it could predict the sun, the moon, the eclipses, and even the ancient Olympic Games. Its gears even modeled the moon's changing speed across the sky, an astonishing achievement built entirely by hand. Who built this incredible machine? Some believe it came from the school of Archimedes, others point to Rhodes. But no signature survives. No blueprint has ever been found. If people could build machines like this over 2000 years ago, why don't we find more of them? Was this the work of one genius or the last surviving piece of a forgotten technology? Even today, researchers continue to uncover new secrets hidden inside the Antikythera mechanism. What do you think its greatest mystery really is?